Hey friends, if you wish to change the settings for Gmail chat on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So Gmail originally had a chat option here, but now the chats that you see are basically chat messages associated with Google Chat. So this is a separate application, but all of Google accounts are associated with one another. We'll go to Google Chat and then I'll show you what has to be done. It's the ID is chat.google.com, but it will redirect you to a different URL. So click on the settings symbol here, and then you can change whatever settings you want to. Okay, so this is the settings page. You can change the theme from light to dark. You can select animations to do not play animations, and you can select notification tones to something else. Okay, or even do away with it. I don't like the notification tones, by the way. And you can disable chat notification, whatever you want to do. And when you're done with it, just click on done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.